Okay, before I show you my typical unboxing, installation, and review, I wanted to show you what they have on Amazon as far as different color options, different looks. They got some pretty neat stuff that I think you should go check out. But here's a couple of different options with this particular company. All right, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, the seat covers come in this bag. Got a couple of handles. So I guess this would be a good present to give somebody like this. I really don't know why you would want to keep uninstalling them and then putting it back in this bag, but I guess that's a neat little option to have. Here's the installation manual. All right, here's the seat covers themselves. I really like the design. Now this is a little bonus. It came with this center console cover, so I'll try that on. All right, I just got the two front bucket seats. All right, the reason I want to get these seat covers is I'm starting to notice my seats are getting a little worn with me coming and going. My particular job, I get a little dusty, a little dirty sometimes, so I'm trying to protect my cloth covered seats. So I'm thinking this is going to be a nice little feature to have. All right, this is for the Ram 1500. This is the 2025 Ram 1500. Now you're going to see that I'm removing the headrest right here, but I'm going to find out on my other seat that that really wasn't necessary. So, all right, you literally just slide it over the back seat, the back of the seat. Now, if you notice, it covers up the back, so you're getting some protection on the back seat. Two little slots right there you can store some items in. Now, for the headrest, you just slide it back in place, and you got those two zippers on each side that kind of go towards the middle there. You will still have a little bit of a gap there, but once you lower your headrest, that gap is not going to be visible. And here is the cover for your headrest. Literally just slides in place, just like the seat cover. All right, a little close up on the seat cover and the head cover. All right, I'm going to show you how that middle portion stays nice and tight to your seat. With this little piece right here, you just put that strap through each side. I'm going to go ahead and install the second one. All right, very easy. This is a neat little concept. You're literally just going to push those little circle pieces in, and you're going to kind of tuck it in between the seats, and you're going to kind of make it to where they lay flat underneath your seat to where they cannot come up. All right, now you're going to add these little metal hooks to the straps on the front side, and you literally just kind of tuck them in. Now, I'm not going to lie, I had to play with this for a little bit to get that to go all the way on, but once you get the technique down, it's pretty easy. All right, what you want to do is once you have those metal hooks in place, you're going to look underneath your seat for something nice and sturdy to connect to. What you don't want to do is connect to any wires or anything. So just find whatever's metal. There is a metal bar in my particular vehicle that I got on. All right, now I'm going to show you my second seat just to kind of show you that once you get the first one done, it's very easy from there. You notice I didn't have to remove the headrest to put that one on. All right, I just wanted to show y'all this center console cover that they send with you. Basically, this is a bonus. I think it will, you know, something extra that they give you, but I don't know if this is going to be something I keep on long term. It didn't really feel right. It wasn't nice and tight or anything like that. It's fairly loose. I mean, I guess it's going to give you that protection that you want, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this on long term. Now, I do have another video where some fine folks sent me a cover that looked a lot better, and it looked very identical to my seat covers. So I may uh, give you a link to that in the description also. But here is the final product, and man, it really transforms the way your interior looks. Very clean. The leather is going to be very durable. It's going to keep all the dust and the debris off of your seats and protect it long term. Very happy with this product. Very easy to install.